what is the compromise and what is the result of that compromise? Because we are told by the world that you need to be competitive.
Yes.
And on the other hand, you have shown us what can be the wrongs that we are doing. Is there a balance or is it one and the other?
No, it's not two different things. It's absolutely a balance. Let me tell you, you have to be competitive. You have to be professionally very smart. And that smartness and professionalism comes from the foundation of being academically well qualified. So I tell, be academically well qualified, be a smart professional, be a wonderful human being, and a great citizen of the society. Do you believe that you can be a combination of these four? Raise your hands. You can. So, as Niranjan Bhai said, you have to be competitive. वरना जॉब कहां से ले आओगे भाई साहब? धंधा कहां से करोगे? That competitive edge advantage जीवन में जरूर चाहिए. लेकिन बैलेंस वहां पे करना है कि उस कंपटीशन को जीतने के लिए मैं अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस नहीं करूंगा. दैट इज द बैलेंस. बी अ स्मार्ट एंड हार्डकोर प्रोफेशनल. अपने आप में ये एटीट्यूड तो रखना है कि जो फील्ड में मैं हूं वहां आई शुड बी एट द टॉप. निरंजन भाई के पिताजी की कहानी मुझे कह रहे थे. आई गॉट इमर्स्ड इन. ही वाज रियली स्पेशल. But two lines which he said about his father when we were meeting just before this session. He said that anywhere in the country, any patient, ENT patient, for a second reference, for a second opinion would come all the way from anywhere in the country to Mumbai to his father. This is a competitive professional advantage that you should develop in your life, in your profession. And I would not term it as human duty, it is a human dignity. Balance क्या है? विवेक और नम्रता. मतलब I will not go for any wrong or unethical practices to win the competition. Even if I'm losing the competition, from job to a business tender, whatever, थोड़ा भी गलत मैं नहीं करूंगा. क्यों? पकड़ा जाऊंगा उधर से नहीं. I cannot cheat my own conscience. वो भावना से गलत नहीं करूंगा. That is the balance. Thank you.